4, 3, 2, 1.
Cadê o furo daqui? Eu botei. I have to push past 8. Push for 5 days. Hey. Then I see how my fitness is your Friday.
Two. 3. Four. 7,
Level 7.
8,
Lekker. Hey.
nine,
9, you know. Push up, 20 push up. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Stay up. 14, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Flat your body. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap your shoulders up, up. Tap your shoulders up. Body is flat. Don't twist and howling. Okay. 15. Nice. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. Touch the shoulders. 4. 3. 2. 1. And 0. Go here. Go. Out the hand. Come on down. Mountain climbers. Your left ankle is a good one. Okay? You can use the left leg to count 1. You don't count the right leg. Okay? Body up. Body straight. 3, 2, 1. Go. 1, 2, 3. Count one leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. How do you come here? Come here. Come here. Come this position. Come in this position. Be able to see me. Cat and cow. Break your back inside. Lift up. And cow. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Push the back inside and stretch it inside. Breathe out. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. comfortable. You can breathe here in, out, in, out. Nice. How do you feel? Now we go back. You jump in and out. But when you jump in, your legs are straight. Your body is flat. Jump in, boom, out, boom, in. Not here. No, not here. No, but in, boom, out. We go for 20. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. How many? I stopped at 10. I go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tiresome, but it's beneficial. Yeah. Right. Hold your head. Left leg, front right leg. Good. Yes. You go for 20. Count on leg. You start to the right, you count to the left. For 20 times. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Go down, walk on your tricep. You give me a reverse push-up. Okay? Reverse push-up, your fingers first at the back, like this. And try to balance. Okay? Right. Yep. For 2, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. Right. You squat. 20 squats. Hold your head. These are free prisoner squats. 3, 2, 1, go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2, hold your waist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All up about around. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The opposite side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, bring your legs together. Only the waist. One side. 5, 3, 2, 1. The other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your knees. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The other side. squat, push up for 20. You squat, touch the floor. When you're coming up, push up. Okay, for 20 times. Just like this. Just that. Yeah. But we're going to see when you go down, try to squat. Okay. Alright. Can land with your palms or with your feet. But don't just go there. Try to squat. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 90, 80, 70, 60, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. This week is for funny. Serious. Right. So what to do? This one we are going to do 10. So we count each leg. You step in front and the side and come back. Just like this. Boom, boom, 1, boom, boom, 2, 3, 2. You step here, out, you count, you go for 10. Okay, 3, 2, 1, left, 1, 2, 3, front, side, 4, 5, 6, front, side, 7, front, 8, let's go. 9, 10. Good. Now we go down. We go down for low plank pose. For the belly, for the stomach. Low plank pose. That is your mouth. Let's go down. 3, 1, down. Pause for 1 minute. Seconds to go. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Yes. Yes. Right. Stand up, stand up. We are going to stretch the legs up in the air. We're going to stretch the legs up in the air. Then we go back down, come again. So when you stand, open your arms. Every time you take your leg, you touch. Make sure you take your leg straight, in front. You count one leg, either left or right. You do 20, but you count one leg. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very straight. Go back to the tummy. You sit, but legs up and down. We go for 20. You count only one leg. Okay? You count 20. When you finish the 20, you do X, which you call scissors. You count 10. But you count one leg. Every time it goes to the left, 1. Every time it goes to the right, 1. But you go for 10. First one, 20. This one, 10. Okay? Sit well. Set yourself for 3, 2, legs up. 6 inches from the ground. 3, 2, 1, go. 10, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 12, left, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10, pause, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, scissors, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold your legs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knee tuck in 20 times. Here, take like that. We go for 20 times. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up, up. We do last 3. Speed feet, basketball. Are you ready? Ready. Right. 3, 2, 1. Basketball. Go to the right, left, center, front, back, set. Go! Run! Speed! Faster! Faster! Basketball. Go to the right, left, center, front, back, set, go! Run! Speed! Lift your knees! Up! Basketball! Right, left, center, front, back, set, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, you have to push. Come on, let's stretch. Open your legs, hold your knees, and push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push the other one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make like 2 to 3 feet here. Open your legs. Face out feet. And elbows this one. Touch the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit inside your leg. Palms together. Push inside. Arms straight, fingers straight. Good. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comes down and up. Okay. From down, straight. Okay. So we go for 10. 3, 2, 1. Go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Drop your legs back. 5, 4, 3, Touch your palms. Touch with your fingers. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Cross your legs. 5, 10, 3, 4, 2. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch the feet. Up. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, down. Lift. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1, down. Lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, kiss. Lift right leg.